It's Eagle Sunday. You're in your jersey and your kid looks you in the eye and says, "I don't want to go." That line lands like someone pulling a rug out from under you. Welcome to Danny's Den. I'm glad you're here.
I remember a client telling me, he said I don't have to go, and the kid said it like it was a fact. That's the moment everything starts to feel bigger than it is.
Quick note up front. This is general information, not personal legal advice. If there's an immediate safety concern, contact local services. If you're thinking about court, talk to a family lawyer in your state. Laws and procedures vary. So, what do people mean by parental alienation? Look, in everyday talk, it's often shorthand for a kid refusing a parent. In court, judges focus on patterns. Is one parent actively undermining the relationship, and can that explain the child's change in behavior? Mostly patterns, not a single bad day. For example, sudden refusal of every visit, repeated phrases from the child that mirror another adult, blocked calls, last-minute cancellations, or coaching. Those patterns matter. And here's an important piece. Judges want verifiable, contemporaneous stuff. Not a bitter recap written 2 months later, but things that show a pattern in real time. So, what counts as evidence? Texts and emails that show canceled visits or instructions about the child's contact. Calendars and screenshots with timestamps of missed handoffs. Notes from school or a counselor describing withdrawal. Even brief witness statements from a teacher or coach can help. Video can be useful, but context is everything. A single clip rarely proves a long-term pattern, right? Courts prefer a chain of small facts that add up. A really common mistake. People send heated texts and later act surprised when a judge sees a pattern of conflict. So do this instead. Keep logistics factual, keep emotion out of written messages when possible, and limit contact to planning and handoffs. If you think there's coaching or intentional undermining, document contemporaneously. Short notes, date, time, exact words the child used, who was there. Save messages, screenshots, and any school or therapy notes. Ask professionals for written observations if they're willing. Here's something small and easy to start today. Keep a single private folder on your phone for these records. No essays, 1 line per event. It's low effort, but judges notice consistency. Now, what do you actually say to your child in the moment? Short scripts work best. Try, "I'm sorry you're upset. I love you, and I'm here when you want to hang out." Or, "I miss you. Can we try 5 minutes tonight?" Those lines are gentle, not demanding. Don't say your other parent made you do this, or you're choosing them. Even if you believe it, those responses put the child in the middle and often push them away.
Be curious instead. Tell me what happened. Followed by, "I hear you." Avoid rebuttal. It's tempting to argue, but arguing gives the message that visits are a battleground, not a safe place.
If in-person time is hard, build predictable micro-routines. A 10-minute check-in at the same time each day, a recorded bedtime story, or a short video message. Those small gestures keep attachment alive without forcing a big confrontation. And because routines matter, let's talk sports. If Eagle Sunday or Yankees night gets disrupted, have a portable ritual. Watch the game together over a video call. Send a halftime text with an inside joke, or leave a little care package for the next visit. A snack, a pennant, a 1-sentence note. If you're a diehard fan, record a goofy "Go Eagles" or "Yankees Forever" voice clip your kid can play. It sounds silly, but silly sticks. Small, consistent things build that sense of normalcy. If the pattern is serious and you're thinking about legal options, call a lawyer sooner rather than later. A lawyer helps you know which evidence will matter in your jurisdiction, whether mediation or a parenting coordinator could help, and when a family evaluation is appropriate. Before we close, a practical reconnection idea, a low-pressure playlist. Music reduces pressure for direct conversation and gives you neutral ground to share time. Try a starter mix, a smooth R&B groove, Think Sade or Alicia Keys, a laid-back hip-hop cut like something from Outkast or Lauryn Hill, and a late 90s, early 2000s throwback you both smile at. Keep it short, upbeat, and easy to play during a ride or while cooking. Quick recap. Document facts, not feelings. Keep written communication calm and logistical. Use short, non-accusatory phrases with your child. Maintain small, consistent rituals, and get local legal advice if the pattern looks entrenched. If you're feeling stuck or unsafe, reach out to local child welfare or mental health resources right now. For legal questions specific to your situation, check the episode notes for links to resources and how to book a free 30-minute consultation. I've also dropped a sample playlist and a short checklist for documenting concerns. Thanks for spending this time with me. If this episode helped, subscribe to Danny's Den for weekly conversations where law meets life. Drop a comment with a reconnection song that worked for you, or a small ritual that helped. I read them. Let's chat.